The next question type we're going to look at is called a stimulus question. So in my quiz, I'm going to click that plus button and choose stimulus. And what stimulus allows us to do is to put some sort of reference here, whether it's a reading passage or a chart, and then attach questions to it. So first off, you always need to have a title for all of your questions. So I'm going to put the title in there. You can have your instructions are optional, and it will not force you to put it in, but I'm going to put them in here anyway. Now, if you're pasting from another source document, you will want to check your formatting. As you can see here, there are some issues with the spaces between words here. So I will go in and just quickly fix that. Then I can type or paste in my content. However, so that I can have a little more workspace there, I'm going to change the orientation. You can have your stimulus on the left and your questions on the right, or you can have it set up where your stimulus is on top and your questions are below. You can change this after you've created your question item. So I'm going to click and drag this down a little larger so that I have a little more workspace. And I'm going to add my text. Again, if you're cutting and pasting, be sure you check your formatting. Okay, for these two, I would like these to be centered as they are in my source document. And so you can go in and change your formatting. So that's my stimulus. I am going to add the stimulus. Now I can start attaching questions to the stimulus. So I will click Attach Question. This question is going to be a multiple choice. I'm going to add my question stem. Okay. And then start adding my answers. And I can either type them in or I may paste them from my source. And I'm just doing a old-fashioned copy and paste. And once I have my answer choices in there, I set which one is the correct response. I'm able to give feedback for each of the responses if I would like to do that. And that just adds the ability to use a rich content editor to add a comment. I'm not going to add them for this one. If I want additional choices, I can add another answer. Same options I have for other multiple choice question type. Set points by the answer so I can do some sort of partial credit, or shuffle the choices so that each person taking the quiz will not have the choices in the same order. So once I'm done with that, I can set the number of points for this question. Once again, I can give feedback and give feedback for a correct answer, feedback for an incorrect answer, or just feedback regardless of answer. And once again, those are also optional. Once I have everything set how I like, and remember, I can always come back and edit, I'll hit done. And so if I would like to preview, once again, I can scroll to the top of my quiz and click the preview button. And I can see what that would look like for the student. Student would select their answer. Same as before, once they've selected all their answers, they hit submit.